two boxes got dropped off today, and I think I best get them open purely to get some space back, because they're big but they are very, very light. And although I know what machines I am getting from this person, I don't know what I've got now, so let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This is the start of another wave of probably very interesting machines from the same place that we've had the PA Gear and Hoover 800 and Viking and all that cool stuff. This is more of it. After obviously coronavirus started, it all got sort of put on pause. I had enough anyway. We haven't paused sending more until I'd done what I had done, and oh, I'm very excited about this one. I've never seen one of these before. Yeah, I'm absolutely astonished that it survived with just that packaging. But what we have here is a clean machine made by Emer. It's 100 watts. It is, and we'll take a close look at it in a minute, the Gtech air ramp of, who knows, I'm really interested in that. Not quite sure what that is. That's like the handle off of something else. So that's what was in that box. Wow, you're either really bulletproof or just got lucky. Stop, I'm giving everything away. Ooh, that's cool. On to this one, which is equally rattly, but again, it's not packed full. Ooh. Yeah, whatever. What is in this box? Ooh. Okay, now I did see this in the photographs that I was sent with, you know, what there was, and I have to say I thought it was just a suitcase, so I am as intrigued as you are to see what it actually is. Oh. It's a car picnic set. I don't think this is for me. It's a beautiful picnic set, absolutely stunning, very rare and vintage, I would imagine. In fact, it is bandalasterware, but a vacuum cleaner it is not. So we shall put that to one side, and I shall just email them and say it's here. I don't think I should have had it, but it's safe. And we shall have a look at this, and I can just have a one title thumbnail title on this video: the Emer Clean Machine. And this is probably going to be quite a difficult video for me now, because I have never seen one of these before in my life, ever. It looks 1970s, 1980s, who knows, we may work it out. But yeah, it is a little tiny carpet sweeper, basically. The forerunner to the Gtech air ram and all the sharks and all that low wattage sweepery nonsense. If I take the cable off, you vintage plug fans are in for a treat, because we have this gorgeous looking plug. Indeed, hopefully the fibre cord clamp isn't too knackered and we can keep that on it. Apart from that, well, we have a removable handle which removes. In fact, I'll be fairly sure that if I took this off, it would also remove itself too. Yes, it does. Look, it's a little. Don't know why I'm undoing it though. When I wanted to try it out, that is very, very silly of me. We'll put that back in later. Very silly of me indeed. Well, that could be a clue 1st of September 1978 would seem quite the thing, and that's it. Underneath, this is such a strange thing. I think everything is in here, which we have sort of looked at already. So we have the remains of a foam rubber seal, which presumably went on this. Does this pop out? Nope. Or no, it's screwed in. So we have a very thin cloth. That's like the material that, you know, tents are made from. There, cloth bag. We have a Qualtex belt. Good old Qualtex belt. And a very soft but very dense and on brush roll. Ooh. What an interesting little thing. This is history right here. I'm going to have to see if I can find... Even that doesn't go on properly, although may or may not be the right part, I suppose. I don't know. We'll have to work that out. But yeah, literally that is it. I'd imagine under here is a tiny little motor. Teeny tiny. Right, I'm going to get the handle back together, plug it in, and we'll see how she does. Handle back on, and I've just realised that still not found an on-off switch. I've got a slight hint of where I think it might be, but I don't actually know. So I'm going to leave it on shot while I plug it in case it does something cool or explodes and kills me, which it hasn't yet. And I think you just got to push down and it turns on, hopefully, because this is the only thing that I can see. It is literally a little tiny carpet sweeper. I don't even know if I dare put any sawdust down. Oh, look at that! I did. I don't think this. Don't. I'm not. Yeah. This. What an interesting thing. Ready? Wow. Well, it picked it all up. I mean, I dread to think the state of it here. Oh yeah, look at that. Everywhere. But, hey, it got it. It is in there. This would have been the sort of thing that would have been sold in catalogues or door to door as a, you know, throw away that horrible heavy hoover and use this, which is just as good. And it's not, it's crap. But it's... I've never seen one before. I don't think they're that popular because they are objectively cheap and awful. But the fact that it is alive today is magnificent. It is incredibly lightweight. I'm using just the tip of my little finger here to pick this up. It weighs less than an Auric. The V11 feels massive in comparison to this. Wow, there we go. So the Emer Type CC, made in Italy. Clean machine. First look, and a tea set, which is nothing to do with me at all. I don't think it is. I shall find out. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Not quite the video I thought I was going to be doing, but video nonetheless. You can't even push it forwards because the wheels aren't at the back, although obviously it weighs so little you don't need to push it anyway. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.